Hey guys, welcome to the Internet Marketing Wrap-Up for August 2012.
In today's episode, we're going to be taking on the top 4 WordPress myths, Mythbuster style. Alright, our first myth today is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. A lot of people, when they first start using WordPress, they get confused between the two. Now, WordPress.com is basically a self-hosted publishing platform. It's really similar to Blogger or Tumblr, and you can go in and create an account and start blogging right away. Now, there are a few themes that are kind of stock themes, but it's difficult to customize and build a custom website on WordPress.com. Now, usually when we talk about building a custom WordPress website, we're talking about WordPress.org. Now, WordPress.org is where you go and you're allowed to actually download the WordPress code. You install it on your domain with a web server, and then you can do all kinds of custom things. You can build out custom themes, you can use custom plugins, you can really monkey around with the code and build a fully customized website. So WordPress.com is more of a templated cookie cutter product. If you just want to get something up quickly, WordPress.org is where you can actually really modify the code and build something custom.
Myth number 2 is that all WordPress sites look the same, and that they have a main content area, a sidebar, a header, and a footer. Now, it's true that there are a lot of themes out there that do follow that basic structure. Just like any HTML standard page or website, you can make it as creative as you want. It's just a matter of effort that you put into it. When we build sites here at Tribeswell, we take maybe a standard theme and we break it down into components and we restructure it into a way that is creative and really delivers the message at a personal level for the clients that we do. That's why it's really important to find a web designer that really understands WordPress, really knows how to create a custom looking site for you. WordPress, like anything else, is a result of the effort that you put into it.
Alright, the third myth is that WordPress is not good for getting your website noticed on search engines. We call that SEO or search engine optimization. And really, this myth could not be further from the truth. WordPress has tons of tools, there are tons of extensions and plugins that make it much, much easier to add content, optimize that content, and get found on search engines than a traditional website. One of the plugins we like to use is the all-in-one SEO pack. Also the Google XML Sitemaps plugin, which will actually ping Google whenever you create new content. So with all the tools available, there's really no reason why you can't get much, much better search engine results on WordPress than other platforms.
Number 4 is that WordPress has a lot of security issues. A lot of people say this because WordPress is open source, which means that anyone can get in and view the files that make WordPress tick. This allows for people who want to develop malicious software to see how WordPress works and write their programs for it. For this reason, it's extremely important that you keep all of your software up to date. That means plugins, theme files, WordPress itself. All these things will protect you from potential hacks against plugins or WordPress itself. Now, if you're a business, this is also why it's extremely important to make sure you work with someone that knows exactly what they're doing, knows how to keep all these technologies up to date, knows how to handle any potential attacks that might come from any malicious software. Alright, that's all we got for this month's marketing wrap-up.
See you next month.